I am hearing, who are you? Who are you when all the traumas, the trapped emotions, the repetitive pattern, overthinking pattern is leaving you? Who are you truly, to the core, to the essence of your soul, when all the programs are leaving you, what you've been telling all your life, the story you kept repeating yourself all your life based on past lives traumas or childhood traumas? Who the F are you? So much emotions are coming back to the surface at this point because you're not bringing this false self, 1, 2, 3 on the clock, very evolutive energy, very fast forward movement. You're not bringing this false identity, these masks, to the next stage of your life. You are a leader, you are someone extremely important for this new earth. I'm talking to a real self, the one that meant the work, inner work. I'm talking to a starseed, a shaman, a healer, an empath, an ayoka, and so on. If you found this video, you're here to anchor some deep truth to create this golden era. You've been handcrafted by the divine for this exact moment. The old self you've been working on, and again, this scenario is ending finally. And you can hear Mother Earth needing you more than ever. You're finally putting away all these layers that are not you, and actually you are becoming so magnetic because your electromagnetic field, your pure heart, is finally visible. You're attracting love, you're attracting your desires effortlessly. This is who you truly are, your abundant nature. Nothing to force, just to deprogram, just to remove the false identity. It was the initiation. I'm hearing now, let's play. Because this is the child, the essence of the child is to play. Not less, not more, just to play. I hope you feel the shift. I hope you feel the love. I want you to close your eyes and I want you to receive this gift from Mother Gaia. It starts raining here, so it's a gift also from the water and from the wind. I'm hearing peeling. It's a massive deconstruction of the self. So I know what I show. your fears disintegrating with the wind. So I am receiving in my mind's eye a volcano in eruption. Feel the Kundalini rising. Feel the Kundalini of Mother Earth rising for her to heal herself, for you to heal yourself, for the sacred technology. Sacred Goddess Kundalini energy to rise through you, to burn the last debris of the old self, transmuting the ego, to let your light rise. Feel the shifts. Feel Mother Heart. Receive the light. Allow the serpent fire to burn and transmute the old self. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. Activate your soul mission. Now is the time. And until next time, namaste.